Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let us solve this problem. So it's given over here that we have to find the value of x. So this is the figure given. So here what you can see, this is 4x. That means here also this should be 4x. Why? Because they are the vertically opposite angles. Again this is 6x, so this also should be 6x. Again this is 5x, so this also should be 5x. So here what will you do? You will use that is the concept of vertically opposite angle. So what happens now? Now look at here. This is 6x, this is 4x. Now if we consider this part, so this is a straight angle. So this should be the linear pair, that is the 180 degrees. So what will you do? Here 6x here means here 4x, because these are the vertically. So 4, 5, 6, if we add together, 4x plus 5x plus 6x, that should be 180, because that is a linear angle. So when you add this all, you get 15x. 15x is 180 degrees. So we want the value of x. So x will be 180 divided by, this is multiplication, it will get divided, that is going to be 15. So x is going to be 12 degree. So hope you have understood this one. So do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.